Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your default font size in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to set guys your default font size means like default text size in your Tecno phone. So you can set it, and guys now let's see how to set guys. You can see this is small size guys. If you want to set guys into default, so you can set your default. And guys now let's see how to set default text size in a Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So now let's start video fan. First of all guys, open your phone setting to set the default size. Then guys scroll guys display and brightness guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your font size, tap here, and guys you can see there are guys three sizes, default and large size. So as I told you guys, we want to set into default, so guys tap on default size and come back. Then guys you can see font size has default. So like that guys you can set, and guys you want to set into a large size, so guys you can set here. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default phone and guys text size in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.